Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a blessed day today. Thank you for joining me today. We're going to do this beautiful, colorful blue and purple eyes using the Profusion Festival palette. This look is perfect for spring and summer. I just got this dress from the Dollar General. Sometimes they have really beautiful clothes there, you guys. Decent quality for an affordable price. And I thought I'd wear my pretty colorful dress and make a look centered around it, even though it went in a totally different direction. So we're priming our lids with the Milani eyeshadow primer, and we're taking Profusion Festival eyeshadow palette, and this is available at Walmart for like $13. Now first up, I'm taking this shade Likeable, and this is a transition shade, and we're going to just messily kind of put that in the crease. And like I said, this look initially took a different turn from where I wanted it to go, so this transition shade here doesn't make any difference. It's just that I done it on the other eye, so just messily put a little sweep of that in there. This shade is called Groove, and we're going to take a little bit of Groove and a little bit of Rave, and we're going to do a 1-to-1 ratio of both shades on the crease brush, and we're going to windshield wiper that in the crease, and literally just right on top of that transition shade we used. I'm just going to place that in the crease, build it up a little bit, placing that in the crease, windshield wiper motions. This brush is actually from Profusion, from one of their palettes. Decent quality, and they've recently come out with more new brushes that they sell individually, which is really neat on their website. I'm sure they're available in stores as well. Now we're picking up Onyx, and this is just a black shade. Any black will do. I'm putting that in the outer corner. I just wanted to deepen up the look a little bit, and we're literally just taking that on a dense crease kind of brush, pencil brush, and patting that, pressing it into that outer corner, slowly building the black up, because you really don't want too much black at once, because it's very hard to take away. You won't be able to take it away. It's like salt and pepper. Add a little at a time so you don't mess up the whole dish. And this shade here is called Atlantis, and I'm taking that on a flat stiff shader brush, and then I'm going to spray it to wet it, applying that wet to the lid. So just take your product on your brush, spritz it with setting spray, and then apply it to the lid. It'll make it kind of foiled, and I love applying it like this. You kind of have to paint it on a little bit, and then also go back with dry shadow and tap it on that to make it more potent. That'll be for the lid. That's it. Like, I'm bringing it a little bit into the crease there, and eventually we will blend all these shades. They look very unblended right now, but we're just placing shades. That blue is so beautiful, don't you agree? Atlantis. And I'm doing the blending now, so I'm going to take the crease brush that we had Rave and Groove on and blend that against all the lines, against the Onyx and against Atlantis. That way they have a seamless blend. And you always want to go back and forth in between all of the shades that you applied against each other. You go between all of the shades, and it makes for a very easy blend. So you take a little bit of black, blend it in with the Atlantis with the black, and then you do the same with the purple and the pink shade. Soon in the future we will do another beginners video in the beginner series for blending, and I am applying the Color Workshop Brow Highlighter to the brow, using that, placing it as a highlight, blending it down using that like the magic eraser that it is, blending down all those edges. Also, you guys, I did place a Shop Miss A order, so we will be doing more Shop Miss A tutorials with some of their new products they launched, as well as other brands on there, reviews, tutorials, and a haul. Now next up, I'm taking, on the same brush I used Onyx, I'm picking up Groove. I'm placing that to the lower lash line, and then we're going to take Atlantis and do the inner rim of the lower lash line with Atlantis. Blend those two together. Long lasting eyeliner. This is the LaColors Liquid Eye Marker pen. Yeah. So a thin line of that, and I'm also going to be putting NYX Jumbo Pencil and Milk in the waterline to really brighten up the eye. I'm putting that in the inner corner and blending. I'm blending that in the inner corner. The shade I'm placing in the inner corner is called Hipster, and it's such a beautiful, beautiful teal baby bluish shade. It's so beautiful. I'm taking the Believe Beauty High Drama Fiberized Mascara, and I'm applying a couple coats of that on my lashes. It's actually a pretty okay mascara. I'll layer that up, and I like the results it gives. And for lips, that's the LaColors Chunky Lip Pencil, and I think you can still get this at Dollar Tree. And this is LaColors Holographic Iridescent Lip Gloss in Heavenly. I'm using the WetnWild Cucumber Setting Spray to set my makeup and fanning that off. And here's the finished look. I like how it turned out. This was almost a fail tutorial because when I started it, it just didn't seem like it was going to come together. But I am happy that I kept going with it. It's so pretty. So colorful. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Try the look out for yourself. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for product list as well as other links. Thank you so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more colorful looks like this.